Best hair hacks every girl should know. Every girl will dream to have stunning hair every day but find quite tough to achieve due to busy and rushed schedules. Did you know that your hair cells are fastest growing cells in your body? That means they are one of the first to be affected by poor diet and lifestyle. Most of time, good hair takes some maintenance. Fortunately, you can keep that maintenance relatively minimal with these hair styling hacks. When your hair is in poor condition, it often results in dry and weak hair, which can be due to dietary deficiencies, excessive chemicals. How to curl your hair? If you want to avoid using a hair dryer or curlers, or try braiding your hair after your shower at night and leave the braids in while you sleep. In the morning, undo the braids, squeeze the resulting waves with the texturing spray and scrunch with your hair to get bouncy hair. Clean your hair brush. We all have some bad beauty habits, and one of the most common offenses is unclean brushes. Your hairbrush is full of germs, dust, old hair and oils. It may not seem like a big deal, but clean brushes help the way you to style your hair and keep your hair fluff-free. Taking proper care of your bristles and cleaning them frequently helps the performance extends their lifetime and prevents harmful bacteria from forming. This technique is really easy and takes just a few minutes. Volumize your hair with the 2 ponytail trick. To make your hair look longer and fuller, pull the top half back and put it in a ponytail. Then gather the remaining hair into a lower ponytail. The top ponytail will hide the lower ponytail. The top ponytail will hide the lower hair tie, making it look like you have one long high ponytail. Use a boar bristle brush for shine. According to Charles Baker hairstylist, running a boar bristle through your hair while you blow dry will help you move natural oil from your scalp to your ends. This means you are naturally tamming your hair and giving it more shine. Use aluminum foil to help curl straightening hair. We all like to have curly, bouncy and voluminous hair. But hair texture of some women makes it too hard to make curls stay for long, and even curling irons don't seem to help more. If you are also facing same trouble, here is one simple trick for curling your hair without need of any hair sprays and hair curlers. For anyone whose hair has trouble holding a curl, try dividing your hair segments, curling each segment around your finger and fold it up into aluminum foil squares and heat each piece of foil for about 30 seconds. Get regular trims. Even if you like your hair long, you need to get regular trims to remove the split ends that weaken your hair. So for every 12 weeks, it is good time frame. However, depending on condition of your hair, you may need more or less frequent trims. Keep your hair out of your face with a partial braid. Take a small section of hair starting at your forehead, braid it, and tuck behind your ear. If you have not shampooed your hair in a couple of days, it will be even easier to get the braid to hold without a bobby pin. Hair hack for pesky flyaways. Whether your hair down or styled in an updo, pesky flyaways are inevitable. A weird trick to make baby hairs lay flat is to spray a toothbrush with hairspray and brush over your hairline. This will keep everything smooth without making your hairstyle crunchy. Conclusion: by following above hair hacks, taking care of your hair as well as styling them every morning won't seem to be a challenge anymore. As well as you have to intake more water and dietary foods properly. Top 10 foods that encourage hair growth. Put down that expensive hair growing shampoo and conditioner if you truly want long, luscious, shiny hair. When you neglect your protein intake, your locks will grow slowly and the strands will be much weaker. Healthy hair is easy, but it does take about 6 months to actually see improvement depending on how fast your hair grows. Here are top 10 foods that not only encourage your hair to grow strong, shiny, and beautifully soft. Bananas and raisins. These two great tasting fruits contain the mineral silica, which improves the thickness of the hair. Try eating more organic foods that contain this mineral and make your hair more durable and strong. Oats are also a good source of silica. Olive oil. If your diet is too low in fat, your hair could become brittle, dry, and lackluster. You don't need much. Just a tablespoon of extra virgin olive oil in your daily diet will keep your hair shiny and soft. Sweet potatoes. These beauties contain tons of beta-carotene, which your body will change into vitamin A very nourishing agent for your skin and hair. Eating foods rich in vitamin A makes your hair shiny and protects you from having dry skin. It also helps keep your scalp from developing dandruff. Other vitamin A rich foods would be kale, butternut squash, carrots, and asparagus. Citrus fruits. It's time to say yay to vitamin C. When you don't get enough vitamin C, it can make your hair dry and weak. Vitamin C also helps your body absorb iron. So, stock up on organic lemons, oranges, strawberries, and apples. Beans. All beans and lentils are super rich sources of iron and protein, both things your hair needs in order to grow longer. Lentils especially are super good for hair support, growth, and maintenance. And lentils to your soups and salads. Eggs, full of biotin, an important B vitamin that promotes overall scalp health as well as encouraging hair growth. Other foods that are good sources of biotin are cheese, avocados, almonds, and peanuts. Dark green veggies. If you need another reason to eat your greens, here it is. Spinach, Swiss chard, broccoli, and green peppers are all packed full of vitamin C and A, which help your scalp produce sebum, a natural oil that works as your body's own natural hair conditioner. So, include green veggies in your diet to encourage hair growth. Red meat. A diet that contains too little iron can actually cause baldness. Addressing iron deficiencies in the diet can help the body regrow hair. Most people who have problems with hair loss tend to have an iron deficiency, especially women. By taking red meat in your diet, you get all vitamins and iron, and it helps in hair growth. Oysters. Androgen, a hormone naturally produced by the body, is unfortunately associated with hair loss. Zinc is a mineral that helps your body regulate the production of androgens. People with low levels of androgens generally have dandruff and very slow growing hair. Change your diet and emphasize zinc-rich foods such as oysters, liver, crab, and lean cuts of grass-fed beef can help keep you from losing hair as well as making the hair you have shiny and healthy looking. Omega-3 fatty acids. Omega-3s encourage a healthy scalp. A deficiency in this important fatty acid leads to dull hair and a dry scalp, including dandruff. Good sources of omega-3s are walnuts, sardines, herring, mackerel, wild salmon, and flax seeds. Include all these foods in your diet to encourage hair growth. Thank you for watching this video. Like and subscribe for more videos.